Meaning of insecure.
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 Insecure. The term insecure refers to a lack of confidence or self-assurance. When someone is insecure, they are often plagued by feelings of doubt, anxiety, and self-doubt. This can manifest in a variety of ways, such as avoiding social situations, seeking constant reassurance from others, or engaging in self-sabotaging behaviors. Insecurity can have a significant impact on a person's mental health and well-being, leading to issues such as depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. It's important to address feelings of insecurity and work towards building self-confidence and a positive sense of self-worth.